Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will try to learn and understand that what to do next if you're not getting priority service. So this is the ILR application and it says that standard, so the application is already completed. Now this is the payment option. On payment option, it just says standard service, pay £3,029. Most people get a decision within 6 months. Super priority service, pay £4,029. Now there should be another option which is the priority service for £500 extra, and you get the decision in 5 working days. Now what are the reasons? So if we go back on the main website of gov.uk, get a faster decision on visa and settlement application. So over here it says that means you will usually get a decision within 5 working days or 30 days for family visa application from outside the UK. So what could be the reason that we're not getting this service? So let's try to understand that. So there could be 3 options. Number 1 reason is priority service is often suspended by set aim. So if Home Office don't want you or anyone to go with 5-day service, then they won't offer you, and this will be the case. Second is availability depend on daily allocation. Even when available faster services, they release limited daily slots. They can disappear, and many people says that if you check in the morning at 7 a.m, then you may be able to get that. I have checked 3 a.m. after, there was no luck. So 7 a.m. is the best option that if you check, because then you may get that option if they have the daily allocation. If super priority is still showing, that means your application type is eligible, but only faster options currently. Next reason is your location matters. Sometime depending where you are. So let's suppose you have chosen the UKV cast center, and that is in a location where they don't have the staff. So, or they have currently Home Office workload, extra workload, then they won't show that option, the priorities option. They have limited staff for super priority, but that will cost you £1,000 extra. So you can go with that option then. So my main reason to create this video is to guide you that if you're not getting that option, you can try for next 3 days to 4 days for priority service. But if you're not getting that, then just go for next day priority, super priority service, pay £1,000 extra. Standard service can take up to, it says 6 months, but I've seen average standard is 8 to 10 months. So if you are not in rush and you have no plan to go anywhere, then go for standard service. Otherwise, you pay £1,000 extra and go for priority service. It's very easy. After that, just click save and continue, and then you will land on the page where it will ask you to pay for it, and you may get the decision by next working day. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos how you can do all these things yourself. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just sharing my own journey, that how you can take help from gov.uk and do things yourself. So I'm just sharing that how important the gov.uk is. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.